Hello everyone, my name is Shanjian Cheng. I'm going to talk about my conference paper, which is Enhancing Project Integration Using Cloud-Based Building Information Modeling, a conceptual model. So this is the table of contents that includes 6 titles. So firstly, I will talk about the introduction. For the past 20 years, the construction industry has been representing almost 1/3 of the global economic growth, and it has grown at an average of 1% annually. However, the construction industry has been perceived as one of the least efficient industries for a long time. The construction projects have suffered many challenges due to the poor productivity and effectiveness, and resulting in costly rescheduling and reworks, ultimately leading to project cost overruns. Based on previous studies, they have identified team integration issues such as poor collaboration and communication, team conflicts, and so on, as one of the underlying factors that contributing to poor productivity and efficiency of construction projects. Besides, the diversity of construction project team comes from different educational backgrounds, different expertise and experience, different characters, and different working styles. Hence, team integration can be the critical success factor if all of the required technical knowledge and expertise can be fused into a cohesive and reciprocally supportive team. Furthermore, the advent of the fourth industrial revolution, as known as IR 4.0, has brought the construction industry into the dimensions of digitalization and automation, which seeking to address the existing issues related to the archaic manual process. BIM is one of the most advanced and critical technology for digitalizing construction projects, and it is considered as a digital expression of the physical and functional features of facilities. The most innovative feature of BIM relates to its ability, which is to reduce the process needed for the reformatting and regathering of the crucial information of a project. In fact, one of the prominent selling points of BIM since its introduction was the potential to promote coordination and evaluate collaboration between each stakeholders of the construction project. Over the last few years, BIM-based construction projects have gradually replaced the traditional construction methodologies worldwide with the increasing complex projects. However, effective coordination among each member of the project teams still facing uphill tasks, such as poor communication and misinterpretation of data due to the isolation of decision-making during different stages of the project, as well as the situation that locally optimal only in the BIM platform. Therefore, cloud-based BIM has been developed to enhance the capability of BIM by addressing the conventional deficiencies. Since the underlying concept of cloud-based BIM is to link the entire project team cohesively and thereby allowing common access of the latest project information without the limitation of location and time zone. Nevertheless, the capability and implementation of cloud-based BIM still remain uncertain until now. Many previous studies have shown that most of the construction organizations are lack of awareness about this technology. The implementation of cloud-based BIM have been considered as a difficult task, since the majority of construction stakeholders were still unclear about its potential benefits. Regrettably, there is a gap of studies of using cloud-based BIM as an enabler of team integration in construction project remains. Hence, this paper aims to reviewing extant literature on BIM and cloud implementation, followed by proposing a conceptual model which has the capability to enhance project team integration through the adoption of cloud-based BIM. So, for the building information modeling as known as BIM, it is a digital technology widely adopted in ACE industries. BIM has defined as a collaborative platform to handle, generate, evaluate, analyze, and communicate projects through the digital information model during its life cycle. Theoretically, the core of BIM technology is a software tool that allows ND modeling and information management to simulate projects in a visual environment. Besides, the development of BIM has also addressed perennial challenges related to the project management, such as scattered information, weak collaboration, poor construction performance, prevalent construction risk, complexity of projects, cost and time overrun, and among others. However, previous studies have revealed that BIM has chiefly been adopted during the phase of information generation, while not much focusing on the information sharing and effectiveness communication between project partners. So, it can only be considered as local optimization due to the isolation of decisions. So this picture has shown the typical BIM coordination process. As shown, every designer will be working separately on their own models, from structural designer, architectural designer, to the MEP designer. Thereafter, all of the models will be sent to a person in charge, which is the BIM manager. He or she will then be responsible for uploading and sending these models to different members of the design team every other day. Hence, it clearly explains the segregated workflow, which leads to isolated decision-making frameworks in the typical coordination process of BIM. In other words, every working step is heavily reliant on the BIM manager, and thus the success of the whole coordination process can be guaranteed if the vital role has been carried out punctiliously. So, furthermore, Cloud computing can be defined as a pool of resources that can be shared virtually as and when required, as well as consolidated computing power that allows ubiquitous and on-demand access of networks to quickly receive and realize information without direct active management. Hence, its trump card has always been the ability to address the limitations of any standalone system, since the underlying design concept was to cater for the handling of voluminous data at speed. Moreover, the cloud computing allows sharing of information from one cloud environment to another over the internet, utilizing its user-friendliness and interoperability, encapsulating the user and the server under a common domain. Moreover, IoT has been defined as a global infrastructure for the Society of Information, administered by the International Telecommunication Union, that allows advanced service to be offered through an intertwined virtual network of interoperable information and communication technologies. Theoretically, everyone in the world can practically exchange information through the internet service, which in simple terms, it means that everybody can be connected using a universal network operating in physical locations or time zones. Besides, it provides the foundation for many other digital technologies, such as cloud platform, communication and network technologies, data processing and analyzing, and so on. So cloud-based BIM has been seen as an uptick with the advancement of ICT technologies, which serves to address the weakness of traditional BIM. And cloud-based BIM is defined as a model-based information management system, or the integration of BIM together with the cloud computing technologies riding on the IoT, which is often utilized to effectively coordinate large, diverse, and complicated projects and manage broadly distributed project participants and on-site activities. It still possesses the inherent characteristics of a typical BIM platform, which is to collect service from all users distributed in different time zones and locations. Hence, it enables each participant related to the project to work within the same platform. Furthermore, it removed the restriction of the conventional BIM and engendered a higher level of collaboration and cooperation by providing an effective platform for real-time communication between project stakeholders using software such as Autodesk BIM 360 and Viewpoint. The transition from standalone conventional BIM frameworks to the integrated cloud-based BIM has tremendously supported the ability of collaboration among every project participants by virtue of its highly capable structure in supporting rapid information exchange. This picture has shown the coordination process in cloud-based BIM, which is different from the conventional BIM. In cloud-based BIM, every project participant will be allowed to access the information stored on cloud at any time. This information sharing process will no longer be reliant on a single participant, as in traditional process, which is the BIM manager. Cloud-based BIM permits the visual storing and access of the scores of information produced by construction projects which choosing to adopt cloud technologies. At the same time, every project participant has the instant ability to integrate their rendering into a single BIM model on the cloud and perform a series of interactive activities in real time, such as communication, information exchange, and as well as the design evaluation. Furthermore, the construction industry involves a vast range of projects which are well known to be information intensive, complicated, professional, and dynamic. The construction project has also been defined as a concoction of interrelated activities and work packages that involved participants from different types of organizations and a number of individuals. Furthermore, the team is commonly established as a temporary endeavor with a shared goal of their project delivery. Hence, this kind of situation demands an instantaneous collaborative working environment to extract the best out of all project participants. As a consequence of such complexity of construction projects, this industry has regularly been hit with issues related to poor productivity and efficiency, cost and time overrun, and enduring conflicts. Therefore, it is significant for the construction industry to continuously improve the working performance, with an aim to minimize and eliminate such issues in pursuit of better productivity and overall effectiveness. In the construction industry, integration implies the availability of collaborative approaches and activities that can foster an environment which will allow information to be exchanged openly among each team members, thereby smoothing the friction intrinsically existed among different behavior of humans, so that the eventual delivery of project can be guaranteed. Thus, integration is comprehensively and incontrovertibly cardinal for the success of construction projects. Ideally, proper and effective integration contributes to a better working performance of project. However, the biggest challenge encountered by team integration is the working dynamics of an inter-organizational team structure, in which issues such as inconsistent goals, poor communication, misunderstanding, and others. In view of this, integration of project team has to be underpinned by effective communication, coordination, cooperation, and collaboration. The concept of 4Cs has been really applied into the research on the integration challenges in a variety of industries, as well as the research in project management of constructions. Basically, communication refers to the interaction among individuals as well as organizations within the project team for the execution of works that have been scheduled, and it makes working collaboratively possible. and communication focuses on the effective transmission or exchange of information to reach the highly sought mutual understanding that is required among the team members. Besides, communication has been considered as one of the critical success factors to enhance project integration within construction projects. And previous studies have indicated that most project teams lacked effective communication among key participants, which result in many challenges during the design and implementation stage of projects. The factors that caused communication barriers were preconceived notions, ambiguous presentation, untimely delivery of information, contamination of emotions or sentiments, as well as the use of unnecessary technical jargons, particularly leading to the breakdown of the entire design process. Moreover, the coordination refers to the function that synchronizes and aligns the existing variants within the project team, and striving to achieve the common goals through the collective efforts. Actually, the coordination may take a backseat in the situation where variables of the projects were determinable, and working procedure and policies were clear and accurate, and communication smoothly in all sides. But such an ideal working environment can be a tall order to be accomplished in the realms of construction projects. Additionally, previous studies discovered that a lie-down in coordination often results in significant impacts on the cost, time, and quality of construction projects. Eventually, this incompetency leads to conflicts, worsened relationships, disputes, and even lawsuits among project participants. Therefore, it is clear that coordination is an ingredient critical to the catalyzed team integration. And proper coordination can also be regarded as a presupposed communication. And then the cooperation can be defined as the willingness of project participants to seek or maximize mutual beneficial relationships through open negotiation, and consequently the commitment of several creditable and significant investments. And different from the collaboration, cooperation targets the concerns of contractual and formal relations. Therefore, the expected outcome of cooperation from within the project team is the effectiveness. Moreover, a failure in cooperation will quite certainly lead to conflicts and ultimately diminish the intentional commitments offered by each project participant. So, in essence, proper cooperation is a vital element of team integration that enhances project performance with minimal conflicts. Lastly, collaboration as the kernel refers to the consensus reached among the participants of the project in sharing their skills and capabilities for the pursuit of the project objectives required by the client. Hence, a collaborative working environment will enable projects to be performed without significant barriers or challenges. So, understanding the importance of collaboration is imperative for every project manager, since it eliminates the ambiguities, uncertainties, and risks that commonly identified within the construction projects. However, the collaboration of project team members can be extraordinarily complex and difficult sometimes, due in part of the temporary nature and diversities of construction projects. And the failure of collaboration begets disputes, lawsuits, and in due course tears down of the entire team integration in construction projects. Nevertheless, it is hoped that with the rapid advancement of technology, cloud computing and ICT in particular have provided opportunities to enhance collaboration in a borderless and time zone-free setting. Like what I said before, construction sector is an extremely project-based industry that involves various organizations and individuals collaborating with one another to achieve specific goals. The degree of team integration may determine the performance of projects, and therefore, a deficiency in team integration may engender issues such as miscommunication, misinterpretation of information, leading to serious efficiency and productivity downturns. Hence, team integration has been considered as one of the lean methods to promote the working efficiency and integration of working process and resource, to enhance the project profit and increasing the quality of project delivery. Even the potential of BIM in enhancing team integration, BIM-enabled projects still suffer challenges in this aspect due to the lack of understanding on the enabling variables and factors for the team integration in BIM-enabled projects. Furthermore, cloud computing is highly regarded as one of the technologies that can be integrated deeply into BIM to enhance project team integration through simplified communication between on-site and off-site activities, utilizing cloud devices such as iPads, laptops, personal computers. And cloud-based BIM can be expected to provide higher level of coordination, cooperation, and collaboration for construction projects through a real-time communication platform for all stakeholders, thereby avoiding unnecessary project delays and minimizing conflicts. Apart from that, the implementation of cloud-based BIM was funded to enhance certain aspects of project management, namely real-time monitoring and tracking of activities, team coordination, as well as information sharing and access among project participants in real time regardless of location. Through cloud-based BIM, participants in the project team can assess, view, and respond to the exchanged information through the aforementioned cloud device, and this advantage has been considered as the enhancement of team integration in construction projects. In addition, many studies have proved that the implementation of cloud-based BIM in construction projects enhanced communication and collaboration among the project participants, as well as that cloud-based BIM pushed cooperation and collaboration in construction projects to a higher level through concerted promotion of innovation. Eventually, based on the extensive literature above, I have managed to conceptualize a model by capturing all the benefits of cloud-based BIM and fusing them with the strong concepts of forces in project management, which is postulated to enhance team integration in construction projects. As a conclusion, improving efficiency and productivity has always been the common objective in construction projects. Better team integration is needed to achieve this goal through the contribution of collaborative efforts by all project participants. This paper has, in response to this challenge, proposed a conceptual model that seeks to enhance team integration based on the extensive review on BIM and cloud-based BIM, together with the FOSI concept, which was subsequently adopted as the underlying theory for the development of this model. The conceptual model explained the relationship between the implementation of cloud-based BIM and team integration within the context of construction projects that adopt BIM. This meticulous study managed to, on one hand, explicate the implementation of cloud-based BIM and identify its benefits, which include reduction of costs, real-time information access and exchange, and so on as shown. On the other hand, the concept of FOSI provides the structure to promote team integration by fusing two portions together. This model has been poised to enhance the team integration in construction projects. With this model, industry practitioners can test its robustness intensively, utilize the pragmatic funding to draw up a better integration strategy, and consequently renew conventional perspectives in construction project management. Finally, researchers are welcome to deliberate on this conceptual model and advance its development through further studies in this field of team integration and cloud-based BIM, thereby contributing to the continuous optimization of productivity in enhancing projects' overall efficiency. Thanks for listening. This is all for my presentation.